Me tell you, say me ready and you ask when. Me say right now, unfold all the demons in my soul. Let me cup on the ground and skin right out. Then you force it up in my tight out. Need some careless sex tonight. You want till the
brother, that you tell me just right now in the dog. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here with another video. Now this is a mini reaction video. Jada Kingdom music video coming soon. The official music for one time music video coming soon, people. You see me I promote it too because I need to react to the music video too. Y'all know say on Jada Kingdom they share me one video and thing you done nothing set. But a bag of things that go on in that video here, people. Take a pretty nice, sexy look pan what go on right here, some people. Take a pretty sexy look at what go on in that video, yeah? As a matter of fact, wait. You all know, we're up on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So, you can do a boy a favor and subscribe to the channel. We'll have the latest reaction them, the latest review them. You see me I say? By a Jamaican boy right here, so you see me I say? Big up all on the self them. But what I talk, man? Anyways, check out these people.
You want till the end. No place like your bed. Man, I take you for granted. No. Me tell you, say me ready and you ask when. Me say right now, unfold all the demons in my soul. Let me cup on the ground and skin right out. Then you force it up in my tight out. Need some careless sex tonight. You want till the
brother, that you tell me just right now in the dog. Yo, and me for them that why she could call up me and say Tyrekejt, you come to the party in that video. More you do that scene ya. And me for you. Hey, they can't tell me say. Me know it obvious she not have nothing there so yo. Hey, my boy feel big you know the dog. Youth. And me for them. John was star. Yo, Jada Kingdom up and drop the video so me can react to it. That's all I have to tell you. My
ready and you ask when. Me say right now, unfold all the demons in my soul. Let me cup on the ground and skin right out. Then you force it up in my tight out. Come on, need some careless sex tonight. You
yes I am. Yo, make sure we kill a video drop, people. Just subscribe to the channel, people. Touch the like button and touch the notification bell to get all of the it's me drop the video, it's me drop the reaction video. When she drop the video, reaction video drop 1 minute after she drop the video. I saw me I got it on time. This just drop on Instagram, you know. And me I react to it already, you know. But let's breathe again, dog.
Granted.
Me I saw the dog.
No. Me tell you, say me ready and you ask when. Me say right now, unfold all the demons in my soul. Let me cup on the ground and skin right out. Then you force it up in my tight out. Need some careless sex tonight.
But you man have him on with
you want till the end.
Man between the cheeks.
No place like.
Watch that. See that? My boy on the in between the cheeks, them dog. You know what? Enough talking. We're not gonna draw out that video. We don't know, so we love make 10-minute video, but we're not gonna draw out that video no longer. People, spam Tyrekevlogs under Jada Kingdom video. Spam Tyrekevlogs everywhere. You see me? I say, you should know some there again. Come here, I react to that video. You know so it's been going a while already, and the video not drop yet, dog. It's been a boy Ty. 10,000 subscribers there go for people. 10K subscribers. Subscribe, like. And do something. So we're going to the apartment tour. Bumblecleat. I used to vlog every day, I never go on the tour. So watch here now. Welcome to the crib. You see we have the beautiful door right there, so people. Remember that door here? Yeah, see there? See door knob here? Remember the door knob? We have a door knob. I have the lock right there, so we lock it and we pull it. You see me I say? I will move forward right there, so we have the bumbuckle bell shoes, something them right there, so people. Watch it. We put all of the shoes and we come with the big villa and base right there, so we have the bumbuckle Nike. All the matter. Oh, you see me I say? We have the. Yo, if a boy this, you know what we're going to do? You gotta get the Crocs them. You see me I say, I have the Crocs them right, so I build back. And I ends of that kick back. You see me I say, I'll move a little bit forward now. Wait. We can't forget the beautiful window. We look out the door through now. We have to look out the door for the people and we have yo, baby, what go on? You don't know you have to call to look a fat Pums girl them out the door and thing. You see me I say, yeah. Now over I can't over so I have a little like lamb stand right there, so watch it. Yeah. You see me? Kinda. I mean, why you? But anyway, I have a little lights and we go to boom. Watch that. Watch it. Want to see it again? Watch it. But what? Them dead, pussy. Them dead. All right, wait, one more time. Let's one more time on the board. Yeah. What? But anyway, yeah. Now, we're not showing too much, you know. Come over the corner right there now. I have a little table right there, so I go and build back. Watch a table there. Sexy piece of table. Now I have a little water on the table. No sponsorship. You see me, I say, yeah. Look at New Year's thing. You see me, I say, yeah. Table looks scrumptious, yeah. Now go to boom. Watch a style there. But bow! We have a big one buckle bed L coach in the building. When you talk about youth, I say, you never talk about the big L coach in the building and go and chill back people. You see me, I say, watch a style there. Watch a style. Voila. Oh, fuck me, roof door to blood clean. Then we go to have the famous one bumbuckle bed man person me ever wear in every video. You see me, I say? Yeah. Never written every video, just like a while ago. Still. But I have my little brother car. Oh, levels of youth. I have my little brother car right there, so I go and kick back on the ends too. You see me, I say? Yeah. Now we get to the tour. Alright, boom. Watch that style there. But in every man cave, you know. Pow! We have bumbuckle bed, the PS4 pan base. You see me, I say? Watch it. You see me, I say? You see me, I say, go on and release what I sang them. I release the bumbuckle bed review right now on YouTube too. Review Governor album just now. But anyways, bam! Got game for days right there. So watch out. Game. Got every game you can think of. Anyone you know about? I have it. Then we have the PS4. I watch. Well, I'm not showing you the best thing yet. Welcome back, Bamba Clean. Watch your style. I have a big TV right there, so dog. A big 100-inch TV on base. Youth, big 100-inch TV you have on base right there, so youth. Where you earbud? You never earbud that TV on my average, so I made the baddest TV. You won't actually even know. You don't know how I got through the journey. Wait. You would come from Jamaican if you know one of them in our house. Blam! The almanac. You see me, I say, we have to have an almanac in your house. You see me, I say, we got through the same. Bumbuckle at what time? Wake up! We have a clock! Now, at the death! We have a ceiling fan, people. It's spinning. He light up too now. Watch that style, yeah. Click, bomba, clean. But guess what? You can't leave some dog. It's that spin. You can't leave some dog. And it goes to boom. I have a bumbuckle belt dining table. What you hear about the dining table thing them? How them hear about? We gotta look further around because I don't see what things they are now. What things they are now. What else you boom, bucket. What on there? I'm kinda thirsty. I want to go on my fridge. Nothing go on my fridge at all, boy. But we have a fridge in the people and bases. Me say, what's a boom? Like edit video. Laptop there, so I go and build back. We have the goal. Sprat them. You see me, I say, I'm not calling the goal sprat. You see me, I say. I have the liquor section over there, so. You see me, make videos over there, so. Yeah. Boom! We have a stove. We did wash up some plate, but I have to make that video for upload today. You see me, I say. Got you. Voila, I'm thirsty again. Water pan base in the youth. You see me, I say. Alright, hold on. I got you. I got you. Who come? The man cave. You know, you see this a room, you know, we can't show the room because the room dirty, you know. But in my room, yes, the take money you got there, right? You see me, I say, I'm a bedroom, this, you know. Hold on. Wow! Yo, the freshest shoes, they better than Clarks, I tell you in the youth. Better than even Clarks in the youth. You see me, I say. They don't have to smell good for the girl, them, you know. You have to smell good for the girls, them, you know. You see me? You have to have it at night time in the youth. You see me? Yeah, I know me a talk about, man. I know you know me a talk about, man. You see me, I say. Yeah, so that's the room. I go say boom. Shh, mother room. You see me, I say. Just tell you now. Get some man to do. Man I do laundry in the youth. Man I do laundry in the youth. Man I do laundry in this in the youth. Man I wash clothes, you know. Man I wash clothes, you know. We have clothes in the dryer. We have clothes in the washer. I'm living. Don't know shit house, so we call it a Jamaican, we call it shit house. But anyways, people, I'm gonna edit the video right now and drop it the phone right about now. Say no one for do. Get me to 10,000 subscribers. You see me, I say Yeah, I like the video. Me have ear can't shake. On the ear about them thing I youth. On the ear about them area youth. I want them. But yeah, it's been a boy Tyrekejt, guys. Peace.